Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well we're back here with microphones and this is the 7 Rhymes Mini Bow Mini microphone, and as you can see it's rather unusual looking. It's more square than round like normal little shotgun microphones. Now this particular microphone is compatible with phones and cameras and does come with those cables in the box. And basically, like all my videos, I'm going to do an unboxing, show you what you've got in here, and then I'll do you a sound test, and then I'll give you a wrap up at the end of the video. So anyway, let's see what we've got in the box and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first two things out the box are basically the manual, and this is in several different languages and covers the basic specs of the microphone, and also you get a warranty card so that you can fill it in for a warranty for this microphone. So they're the first things out of that box. Next, it comes with this rather nice little carry bag, which is quite nice and feel. It's sort of a velvety type feel with an embossment on it, and this is to carry your little microphone around, and it's quite good that they've actually given you a little carry case, because a lot of these microphone manufacturers don't normally give you something for it, so that's quite good that they've included that. Next is a couple of cables, and it's cool that it includes two different cables. So you've got one to use with your mobile phones and then one that you'd use with a DSLR camera or any sort of camera basically. And I like the fact that they've coloured them in a yellow branding, because with Rode they're sort of red and with Sennheiser they're sort of blue, so it's nice to see different colours appearing on different microphone manufacturing models. Next is this rather cute looking Windsock, and this is really quite neat, and this will be used for when you're outdoors so that you can cut the wind sound going over the microphone, and it's pretty cool they've included this, and they've included this kind of Windsock instead of a standard sort of foam covered one, so it's quite good that they've given you this as well in this set. And finally, we've got the star of the show, which is this microphone here. And as you can see, this microphone is really quite nice. It's not particularly big, but it's all made of a sort of solid metal material, which is great. It's got a bit of weight to it. And overall, I think it looks pretty neat. Now, the Windsock basically goes over the front of it, and you have to sort of, jig it on to get it on. So we'll just do that like so you can see what it looks like with the Windsock on. So that's basically with the Windsock on, and as you can see it looks pretty good with that on, and it's very easy to take off. You can just pull it off, so that's really cool. So next, let's give you a sound test from this microphone so you can hear what it sounds like, and then I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. Okay, so the audio you're hearing now is coming from the 7 Rhymes microphone, and overall I think this is a really neat little microphone. I like the fact it's extremely compact. I like the fact you can use it with your phone, and I think overall this is a great little microphone to get, and the price is really decent too on this microphone. So if you're after something that's not too expensive and you need a microphone for the field or for your phone, I would recommend this. Anyway, let's go wrap this video up. Well, there you go. There's my quick look, unboxing and test of the 7 Rhymes Mini Bow Mini microphone, and overall I think this is a great little microphone. Now if you're after a good microphone for using on your camera or with your phone and you don't want to spend too much, and also looks pretty decent and also has the right kind of colour for the cable, I can definitely recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.